Ashley kicking me out.
What the fuck? You're the best one.
Yeah! Wait, I'm scared. No! Batty, shot at clock.
First of all, it's Saddies, not baddies.
We're at Ashley's house for her graduation / birthday party. She booked the train for the pregame, so we're about to go on that. I don't know what she means by she booked a train.
I feel like it's a literal choo-choo train.
It's like, what's the train called, Thomas?
Thomas the Train.
Thomas the Train.
It's Thomas the Train. Choo-choo!
Happy birthday!
Thank you,
Thomas! You just saw the train? That's fucking crazy. That's embarrassing to be on that shit. I'm about to show you the fucking train. I'm kind of excited but embarrassed at the same time.
This is my train, guys. Want to ride on it?
Fuck no!
It's Ashley's graduation / birthday party!
Shots.
I don't know. I got champagne though.
Thank you. Wait, where's your shot?
I know she's giving me my
Oh, you better go. Cheers, dude. Fake shot.
Oh yeah.
Daddy shot at clock. Blaze on sexy red.
Speech!
You all know, I graduated with my master's in communications.
Here it
And I never had a 15, so I'm healing my inner child by doing my treintañera as well.
Pretend this is a White Claw.
No, get rid of shot.
That was interesting.
It tastes like tamarindo.
That was
I just got kicked out of the fucking baile sorpresa. First of all,
You don't even have a driver's license.
what
The fuck?
why'd you invite me and then you kicked me out of the dance?
What happened? You lost your partner?
Ashley kicked me out. Sorry, Pride Month.
Gosh, stop laughing.
She was like, Helen, you have a new partner. I was like, yeah!
Y'all are killing it.
Victor's spilling the tea. I got that on camera. Victor's spilling the tea.
So we are in Oscar's first networking event. And it's so good. Oh, it's gonna get started? Oh, Johnny's up there too.
Where's your ticket?
Right
I
here.
need to do that. I need to do this.
Who let you in?
Don't let me in.
Hey, I'll get 2 glasses of Chardonnay.
I don't know what I'm doing. I think I got robbed because I don't taste the alcohol. I'm already over it.
We just got here.
On a weekday.
So this was a last minute thing. I just texted Victor. I was like, hey, you want to go to Disneyland? Because, get this, our 3-day pass expires. How dare they? Come on in.
And then follow the signs to the nearest exit.
Oh my god. Stay in the cup, please. Sit your ass in the cup. Oh my god, I feel drunk.
pralines. Oh, that's so good. They look like tacos.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Currently on the way to the beach to catch a sunset. Something chill and reflect on life.